Woo! You made it to day 5 of the Reset Retreat, created to help you improve your strength, energy, and mobility while relieving stress and tension. I'm Smriti, and today is day 5, focused on your heart health and celebrating you. Let's get this party started. Let's start with your legs hip distance apart. And today's workout is all standing work, so no mat is needed. If you have one, go ahead and use it. It's up to you. Stand tall and strong. Take a full breath in, expanding the ribs side by side and front and back. Think 360 breath. And exhale, letting go of the air, softening the shoulder blades down your back, relaxing the neck, letting go. Deep breath in, filling up the lungs with fresh air and energy. And as you exhale, calming the nervous system, letting go of anything that's not serving you today. And we're going to start with some warming up for the feet. So bending one knee forward, flexing at the foot, and then you switch. Going up and down, warming up the hips and the legs. And option to bring the hands up to the side. To get the arms involved from the beginning, find the version that works for you today as you glide up and down, feeling that heat in the calves already, and up and down. Last 2, last 1, lower both legs down, bring the hands to your side, lift the heels up, bring the inner thighs together, turning the legs out externally from the hip socket into the Pilates knees, and bring the arms out to the side as you lift and lower for our standing footwork series. Press those inner thighs to your center line to help you balance up and down. Think shooting out of a cannon, going straight up like a rocket ship. So try to find that balance going up rather than forward. And your height of your lift is your height of the lift. So find a version that works best for you today. Up and down. Last 2. Last 1, and lower the heels. Lift the heels up, bring them apart hip distance, and bring the hands back down for hip hinge. I'm going to turn around. You can keep facing me so you can get a better view of what I'm doing. So you have your legs hip distance apart. From here, hinge your hip back. Tailbone reaches out long, head is in line with your spine, and arms reach forward and back. So imagine you're shooting out of a cannon, and your arms are reaching up and back above the pelvis. And as you straighten your posture, you bring the hands back forward. Lengthen, tailbone reaching back, and arms come forward. Like you're about to sit in a chair and you get right back up. These kind of exercises are really good for balance, for your pelvic floor health, and your glutes, right? So simple, sustainable movement and practice to keep us moving forward with your healthy routine and back. And let's celebrate what you can do today. So you don't have to be as low as me. You don't have to look like me. Show up as you are. Come up as you are. Do your version. Excited to work out with you. Let's do last 1. And up, well done. Go ahead and turn around. If you turn around to the side, face me forward. Legs externally rotate out. From here, going into a squat. The knees are over the ankle. Now you don't have to be as low as me. You can be up here, just a little bend, whichever version. We're gonna go ahead and get set in that version and bring the arms out to the side. Forearm circle. Circle the arms forward, around and up. Slow and small circles so we can make sure we're doing the proper alignment to get the benefits. Keep your ribs in, trunk stable as the arms move in the shoulder joint. And if you go a little lower on that squat, you definitely feel a little bit more of activation of the thighs and the glutes and get your heart rate up, right? So working on promoting good health for your heart. There's no jumping today, but definitely you'll feel it. Your heart rate going up, and now reverse, going the other way. Maintain that strong, beautiful posture you got. Around and up, around and up. Keep the shoulders relaxed. If you feel tension on your shoulders or your neck, do smaller or lower angle circles, okay? Keep moving forward. Let's celebrate you. Celebrate your accomplishment. You made it to day 5. Yeah. Last 3, 2, 1. Lower the arms, straighten the leg, and circle the shoulders back. 3, 2, 1. Toe heel your legs back together. On to side lunge with chest expansion. Bring your arms forward and lunge over to one side. So one knee bend, arms reach back for that chest expansion. And as you come up, center yourself. And let's go to the other side. So go out and up. Which side? Tailbone reaches back, come on the middle, stand tall, arms forward, and switch to the other side. One knee bends, the other leg stays straight. And open your arms back, head is in line with your spine, feeling that strengthening in the inner thighs. And up, press back like you're high-fiving the back wall. And up, lengthen, and reach back. Tailbone reaching back. Just lunge, press off the leg that is bent, and up. Reach back and balance. Reach back and in. Let's do one more each way. Lengthen back and up. Well done. Let's go ahead and turn around. Face the front of the mat for your moving lunge with some arm work here. So start with one leg straight forward, other leg reaches back. Keeping the hips and shoulders stacked, bend the front knee. Both feet are pointed forward towards the front of the mat. From here, arms reach forward. And as you straighten the front leg, the palm reaches back. So all you're doing is straightening the front leg and bending the front leg. You can make the modification by doing smaller range of motion, or you hold this position or smaller distance between the legs and in, and reach out. Breathe. Last one, hold here. Palm up. Open that front arm in front of me and reach back for spine twist. Keep reaching your hips forward as you look back at your palm. And center yourself. And twist and rotate the other way. And in. Bring that back leg forward and bring the other leg away. Front knees bend, back leg is straight, both feet pointed forward. Arms reach forward. From here, straighten the front leg as you bring your scapula back. The arms move from the back. The scapula leads the way. In and out. Rise up, bend to lower. Opening and closing. You're doing great. Stick with me. Let's celebrate what you're doing today. You made it to the mat. It's a good day. Last one, stay here. Or you can go into bent knee position for more of a challenge. Palm up. The arm that's furthest away from you is going to rotate as you turn your trunk. So from waistline and up, you look back at your back hand and bring it back to center. Twist and rotate, spiraling the spine all the way up to the sky as the back leg reaches away. Back leg is straight if you can there. And center. And bring that back leg forward. Legs are hip distance apart for a roll down. From here, stand tall, nod the chin to chest, peel your head, then your neck, then your shoulders, bend your knees here if you like, and roll all the way down onto the ground. Stack your spine back up, piece by piece. Pelvis comes up first, then your lower back, middle back, Upper back, stand tall. Inhale. Exhale, nod the chin to chest. Peel yourself from your neck and shoulders. Upper back, middle back, lower back. And we'll allow the pelvis to tilt over as well. And stack your spine back up. You can always make this smaller range of motion to make it work for you. Don't have to go down as low. You can bend your knees more. And breathe. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Reach the arms up. And exhale, palm down. Close your eyes for a moment. And notice how you feel. Take this moment to acknowledge yourself for what you've accomplished. Celebrate yourself. Know that it's always worth it. And smile and open your eyes. Congratulations, you did it. You completed day 5. Heart in celebration of the Reset Retreat. I'm sending you hugs and high five through the screen. Give yourself a pat in the back. Stick with me, keep going, and I'll see you back here on the mat very soon. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video and want to see more classes like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let me know how today's class went for you in the comment section below.